Adam Savage came to visit campus back in September as part of homecoming, and a few weeks later called us back and said, "Hey, I've got a new show. One of the episodes I want to 3D print an Iron Man suit. Who's going to say no to Adam Savage making an Iron Man suit out of titanium?" I felt like it was a good teaching moment. We took an engineering approach to an entertainment project where we actually built a usable suit. Ended up being somewhere around 250 individual parts that had to be individually manipulated, 3D printed, post-processed, and then reassembled back together into a suit. And I got to see the suit actually fly in a hangar with Adam, glowing eyes and glowing chest panel and everything. In terms of modeling something that a superhero would want to wear, we did it.